Kenwood released a new stereo this year, the DDX396, to upgrade the DDX395. But did they even change anything besides the last digit of the model name? Actually, yes. The big difference between the old and new is the rear 3.5mm iPod AV jack in the rear of the DDX396, which was taken away from the DDX395 when they released it last year. This jack allows you to mirror your mobile device. Using this jack in combination with the CA-C3AV, as well as our mirroring adapter BU-HDMI-V, you'll be able to mirror your Android or iPhone to the stereo. For iPhone, also use a Lightning Digital AV adapter, and for USB-C Android devices, use the Bueller BU-C-HDMI. Links for all of that in the bio. Besides that, these eXcelon stereos are virtually identical. Let's check it out. The DDX396 has a 6.2-inch clear resistive touchscreen display and a built-in DVD player. Its LED backlighting helps combat sunlight and has a resolution of 800 by 480 pixels. Rear connections include wiring harness for power ground and speaker, Sirius XM, iDialing Maestro, Bluetooth microphone, iPod AV input, video output, backup camera, 3 sets of 5V preamp outputs for front, rear, or subwoofer, radio antenna, USB. The stereo comes with a Bluetooth microphone, wiring harness, and parking brake extension. Bluetooth lets you practice hands-free calling and go through your phone book. You can also wirelessly stream music from your libraries and apps to the radio from your mobile device. The DDX396 also offers dual phone Bluetooth connection. The tuner functions are about as basic as every other radio, but no HD tuner. The front faceplate is not detachable. Connecting a device via the USB port not only enables a charge to your phone, but also gives you access to your music and app control over Pandora, iHeartRadio, and Spotify. The difference between the USB and Bluetooth connections is that the USB displays album artwork onto the stereo and offers higher quality audio as to compressed Bluetooth audio and its music tags. The DDX396 has Android Rapid Charge and Android Music Playback. Installing the iDialing Maestro RR integrates your vehicle factory audio systems like Bose and Infinity, integrates factory steering wheel controls, satellite radio, and USB, plus adds OBD2 support with vehicle information, allowing you to check out gauges, tire pressure, adjust climate control, and parking assist. The stereo is Sirius XM ready with the SXV 300V1 tuner, and steering wheel control ready with the Axxes ASWC1 interface. Links for both in the bio below. Using USB drives or CDs, the radio is compatible with MP3, WMA, AAC, WAV, and FLAC audio files. And for video, it plays MPEG-1 and MPEG-2 files. You can also upload and view JPEG images. Customize your DDX396 with several preset wallpapers or upload your own. Plus set the button color illumination. Kenwood puts you in full control of the audio. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links for everything in the bio below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button. But if you hated it, click the dislike button. Join the conversation below and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.